How to create invitation card in Microsoft Word. Creating an invitation card in Microsoft Word is simple and allows for plenty of customization. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Firstly, launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Then, search for the invitation template. In the search address bar in the top right corner of your screen, type invitation and press enter. Now browse through the available templates and select one according to your preferences. All you have to do is tap on the invitation card you prefer. So here I tap on this one. Now if you prefer the design from the scratch, then you can just shed the page size and adjust the margin to fit your design. Now use the insert tab and click text box to add text areas, or simply enter your invitation details or edit your invitation details from here. Event name, date and time, location, RSVP details, and customize the font style, size and color from the home tab according to your preferences again. So that is it. Once you are done with customizing your invitation card, all you have to do is save this file and it will be done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.